mainly because you did not update your plugins or you installed plugins without reading the reviews. Just like anything else you put in your body, don't put bad plugins on your website. Make sure to check your website at least on a weekly basis. Make sure the plugins are updating, because some people just install 100 plugins and they don't update them. I've seen so many websites with too many plugins to count on a server that can't really hold them. They don't read the reviews of the plugins. They don't maintain them. They never even spoke to their website hosting company to talk to them about, hey, is this enough to, accommodate the website? Is it crashing? What is going on? Yeah, it's a lot more complicated than you think. Don't just slap on a WordPress and think that that's it. It's gonna do everything. You still have to do a lot of work.